Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. I'd like to welcome you to our showroom. Today I've got a 1969 Cyclone. It's got a big block in it. Beautiful Magnum 500 wheels. Can't wait to show it to you.
If you're looking for pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see all the prices for all the cars there, or you can call Tom at 248-974-9513. He answers his phone just about 24 hours a day, definitely 7 days a week. He returns all of his messages, so give him a call. We've got 30,000 square feet of indoor storage here and over 120 cars for sale. We buy about 30 a month here, so the inventory changes quite frequently. So like us on Facebook, you can check us out there. Also, put us in your favorites on your computer and check us out often, because you never know when we're getting another cool car in. If you'd like to come visit us, fly into Detroit Metro Airport. That's right outside the Motor City. We're only about 20 miles from the airport. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll send somebody down to the airport. We can pick you up. We can show you all these cars. So everybody's always asking us where we get these cool muscle cars. Well, we get them from customers just like you. People call us with their cars for sale. They call us when they're ready to trade their cars in. We'd love to talk to you about them. So just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. And if you know someone with a high quality muscle car for sale, call Tom also, and if we buy that muscle car, we'll put $200 in your pocket.
All right, we're out here with the Cyclone now. As you can see, it's winter here in Michigan, and Mother Nature's really been taking care of us this year. Hey, if you're catching us on YouTube and you'd like to see about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put it up on the lift. We take pictures of the underneath side, the wheel wells, the interior, the motor compartment, the trunk. We're going to show you everything you need to see to make a good decision on your muscle car investment. Also, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at classiccarbuyingsecrets.com. So come on up here, let's take a look at this thing. Got a gorgeous restoration on the paint job. The chrome's been done. The stainless looks great. It's got brand new magnums on it. The tires are in awesome shape. All the gaps look good. The body panels fit nice. All this stainless around the windshield looks good. The doors operate nice. Check out those door jambs. The door lips look good. They've taken, they took everything apart when they painted the car. You can tell they used a lot of care when they did the restoration on the car. Rear quarter is just as straight as an arrow. See how nice that door shuts. Back bumper looks like it's brand new. All the trim around the tail lights is beautiful. Getting the trunk here. Trunk looks great. Got new rubber here. They've painted the underneath side of the trunk. Looks like it's got a brand new mat in it. Shuts down real nice. This paint has got, it looks like a couple different colors of metallic in it. It's just popping out here in the sun. Take a look how nice and straight that car is. We've got the door fitting real nice. See how it's nice and flush there. Just hanging out just a tiniest little bit. The gap looks real nice. It operates nice. We got good looking lips here. The jambs look good. As we said earlier, we're not a consignment dealer. We spend the time, we check these cars out before we lay out our money. We own each and every one of them. I've got 7 full-time mechanics in there checking the cars out even further. We've got a 113-point inspection that we go through. We can tell you everything that's going on with this car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. As you can see, the door panel looks nice. The stainless on the door panel looks good. The armrest is in nice shape. It's got a wood steering wheel. Dash pad's in good shape. The seats are nice. We've got the Hurst 4-speed shifter. The back seat's in good shape. The car does have seat belts in it. Headliner looks nice. It's even got the shoulder belts up there still. Swing around there to the dash and take a look at the dash pads in good shape. All the wood grain and the chrome on the dash is in great shape. This is one beautiful car inside and out. Underneath Cyclone now, real nice and tight under here. Drop downs on the trunk look real good. The floor looks good. Frame is in great looking shape. Gas tank's in good shape. We've got electric fuel pump back here right by the gas tank. Exhaust system looks like it's custom made. Looks like it went to a muffler shop. Got some air shocks on the car. We do have drum brakes out back. We rolled the gear over. We've got about a 350 gear, and it does have posi in it. The frame here looks great. We always get up inside here, feel around. Frame feels great. Back sides of the rockers are nice and tight and solid. All right, the floorboards here in good shape in the back. Up here, it looks like they've been cut out real nice and neatly, and that section right here and here have been replaced. But they're welded in, seam sealed in, look real nice. Beautiful job on the installation on this. Definitely a professional installed that. Looks like we got a brand new parking brake cable here. The pinch weld on the rocker looks good. All the bracketry here on the bottom of the floors look good, all the braces. Up front here, looking around, looks like the driver's side floorboard was patched in. I can see all the welds here. It's all nice and tight there. It's really hard to tell that it was done. Did such a nice job doing it. Now the passenger side, I don't see any evidence of the passenger side being done. Looks like it survived. Got a top loader, 4-speed trans in it. Somebody's put a bung in here for no 2 sensor. That's for tuning purposes. Got a nice closeout panel. It does have the big old cast iron exhaust manifolds. Comes right down here, way far deep. Cross members in good shape. Oil pans, chrome, obviously. Looks like the lower control arms were replaced. New ball joints, top and bottom. Sway bar links are new also. Looks like the radius arm bushings have been replaced. Looks like it's got new springs and shocks up front. Looking up in the inner wheel wells here, looks like there was a patch done on this front fender here. They did a nice job doing it. Same thing on this side. Real good job doing it. It's sealed down real nice. The inner wheel wells are in great looking shape. Looks like new front bumper. All the bracketry was pulled off. I see some new wires here for the marker lights. Very nice job on this car. Let's check out the wheels and tires. Okay, the car's got brand new Magnums on it. We actually put these Magnum wheels on here. They're brand new right out of the box. Got real good looking Kelly Charger tires. We've got two 1565 15s. They got plenty of tread on them. The lower rocker here is in great looking shape, nice and straight. Back here at the rear tire now. Same brand new Magnums in the back also. And we've got two 55-60 15s in the back. The lower quarters in good looking shape here. All nice solid metal, nice hollow sound there. You can tell it's not all full of mud. One nice piece of metal there. They've used the real nice hangers there on the exhaust system too. I love these hangers. No chance of that exhaust system getting loose with those. And you can see the frame here. The frame's in great looking shape. It's a real nice car. Let's lower it down and take a look at that 390. All right, let's get under the hood. There she is. Nice paint job on the underside of the hood. Nice paint job on the firewall there. The inner fenders are in nice looking shape. This is a 390 block with a stroker crank in it. Works out to be about 428 cubic inches, so it's a stroked 390. It does have the Cobra Jet heads on it. Like I said earlier, it's got the big exhaust manifolds on it. Underneath there is a big old Holley 4-barrel carb. The radiator's in great shape. It's got power brakes. It's got the Corvette master cylinder, so that's like an aftermarket deal there. But this is the way the power brake system looked on these Cyclones, even from the factory. It was raised up there to get above that motor. The motor's so big in there, there's no room for the brakes. You can see it's got great looking paint on the block. We took a look at the date code on it. It's a 1972 block. That's how we know that it's a 390 and not actually a 428. And the guys checked the stroke on the crank. Beautiful car under the hood. You can see there's new shocks on it here, all new bushings. This thing's got all kind of power. It will get up and go. It'll light those tires up. It's a beautiful car. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. Alright, here we go for a drive. It's going to be a little cheap today because it's pretty nasty here in Michigan. Just give you a little idea of what the car looks like rolling. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.